Hello, my name is Mukama Julius. I'm happy in this video to share with you my story about professional development with technology. It's only those that have gone through an experience that have stories to tell. And as a teacher that got a golden opportunity to be trained by CCTI, I believe my story is worth sharing. It all started by my head teacher calling me and informing me that he had forwarded my name to the ministry to be trained in ICT. I was like, oh God, what an opportunity. I hardly waited for the day when the course could start off. It wasn't long. On 24th of October, we met our wonderful tutors from South Africa, Mr. Gerard and Senzo, who clearly painted the picture before us of how the course is going to be and what exactly we have to do. After the orientation, we started off with the lessons. We had lessons like Smart Workers Network. We had to go through things like sharing is caring. We looked at, is it better to the movies and chulating, and towards the end there, we looked at feeding the need, where here we had to look at the needs of our colleagues when it comes to ICT integration. And these lessons have revealed many resources to me. And at this level, as I'm sharing this with you, I can say that these resources have been a great building stone in my life as a teacher. These resources that we've come across, we have things like the websites, where we looked at one of the best websites was Edutopia. We looked at the teacher's video. We looked at the Education World, Discovery World. Just a few I've mentioned, but there are very many. We looked at things to do with YouTube, and YouTube is very, very resourceful. In fact, it is better at the movies. It's great I've been able to open up my personal YouTube link, and now I can upload videos. So I believe this is going to help me so much when it comes to the integrating technology into the classroom. We've looked at social media. The power of social media, you can never explain. It's too much, because with social media you get connected to many experienced educators. This happens when you join like Twitter, Google Plus. Through this, your personal learning network grows up, and I believe mine has started growing up. Even the teachers there that have not yet got this opportunity, I believe if you get it, you are going to see how important it is. We looked at blogging, we looked at the week, and with the week it's more of collaboration, where you go to different pages, you can edit there what your colleagues have put, and all of these resources have been great to me in integrating technology into the curriculum. And at this level, I can say that whether technology should be used in education should no longer be the issue. But according to what I've learned through CCTI, it is now high time we integrated technology into the curriculum. Thank you, CCTI, for the golden opportunity. And thank you all my colleagues that have been collaborating with me.